Welcome to Guarantee RV here in Junction City, Oregon. My name is Kirk Blair and I'm going to show you this 2016 Cougar. It's a 24 SABWE and it's actually kind of a rear lounge, rear kitchen floor plan. We'll get inside and I'll show you that in just a second. A couple nice features that this guy has is it's got a power tongue jack, 2 propane tanks, your battery storage, and I want to show you this is a pre-owned piece of inventory here at Guarantee. Somebody put an awning topper on there. Those are really nice. I do like and recommend those. And let's kind of make our way down the side here and check out some other nice features. It has a nice full pass through there, a little bit larger than most of your other trailers. Stabilization jacks on all 4 corners, power awning, sandy flush. It's a Cougar by Keystone. It's got the frameless windows, kind of a desired look these days in a lot of inventory. It does have a pull-out tray as well in the back. Cougars kind of has these pull-out trays that come out and you have a little storage area. You could put bikes, your coolers, a little firewood, only a couple 100 pounds on there, but you can usually find something to put there. Let's jump on inside and take a look at what else we got. Right as you come into the unit is your refrigerator, large fridge, and your rear kitchen. And then you kind of have the live-in area in between there. You got half a dinette booth and half regular chairs and a nice couch here, kind of a live-in area. Your entertainment center with your TV that's on a swivel bracket so you can turn it more towards the couch if you wanted to. This has a lot of great features to it. It is a nice unit. You have stainless sinks and whatnot. Big closet, big storage area here with some shelving. Drawer, more storage, more counter space. The bathroom in this has a pretty good sized bathroom. I'll meet you around the other side. It's got a decent corner shower there, bathroom. Storage all the way around, which we love. You can never have enough storage. You make your way into the bedroom, and it has that second door to the outside. And storage again on this unit. Closets abundance, storage under the bed, storage all the way around. Let's kind of go back to the living area and just kind of show you this table. I like that this table moves around. It has 2 chairs, a little spacious, kind of a little more room here. This trailer or anything trailer at Guarantee, I'm happy to show you. My name is Kirk Blair, Captain Kirk. My cell phone is 541-601-8742. Feel free to give me a call or text. Anything here at Guarantee, I'm happy to help. Hope you have a great day.